So first of all, I would like to tell you about Kahoot. That Kahoot is an app that you can even download from the Play Store to make it available on your student's mobile phone, so that it can be accessed time to time whenever you will prepare a quiz for them. They will participate using that particular app. So this can also be used by logging into any web browser that you are using right now. So let me demonstrate it to you directly. So with first of all, I would like to tell you the program that I have prepared for this workshop. I'll be firstly demonstrating to you how to create the Kahoot and how to make quiz on Kahoot. Then I have prepared one quiz to demonstrate to you how the features and eye-catching features and attractive features will fascinate your students to be more participative in whatever formative assessment you can plan with them. So let's get started with it. Uh, I'm sharing my screen. Let me know once it is visible to you.
Yes, Rahul sir, we could see your screen.
Okay, now. So firstly, all you have to do, you have to enter into URL create.kahoot.it. Like you can see, uh, there are versions of it that is available to you. So this will answer your query about the Kahoot, that how you can use the features of different Kahoot options that are available with you. There is a plus version that is available to the educators at a cost of dollar $5 per month. Then Kahoot Pro is also having the same amount of subscription with it. Kahoot Premium is available at a cost of dollar 15 per educator per month. Then Kahoot Premium is also having certain feature of it. So all you need to do, just compare these plans. So according to your own need, you can decide what plan you want to choose. So this is the basic version that I am using with my students, the free version. You can run a live video with your students when they are playing the quiz with you. The maximum limit of 10 players it will have in it. Then if you want to upgrade the number of participants, you can choose these plans which is available with you. 50 players, the plus version will have. 100 players will be can play in pro version. Then 200 is the capacity and maximum capacity is 2000. Then challenges, you can throw a challenge individually to your student. You can throw challenge in a team to them when they are playing a Kahoot with you. So basically, you have to create a game team to make them enter into that. And as I have told you, they can log in with their web browser or the Kahoot app, which is available on Play Store. So these are the basic features that is available. The question bank is now no longer available on this free version. I don't know why they have mentioned this in that. Recently I have gone through that, but it is not available over there. So all we need to do is we will continue with free. Continue for free, you need to click. So it has directly directed me to my account. I need to log out this so that you can see how to log in. So this will be the screen that will be visible to you all once you will be logging into create.kahoot.it. It will ask you to enter or sign up, or you have already have you created your account on Kahoot. So then you can use your username and password to log in. And the sign up options which is available to you, you can also go in with your Google account, Microsoft account. If you have any iOS account, then you can also log in with that. So if you don't want to, or you don't wish to log in with these account of yours, you can sign up for this. So it will ask you to create the type of account you want, the teacher account, student, personal, professional. So you'll choose the account related with teachers. Then it will ask you school, higher education, school administration, business. Then we click on school. Then you have to enter your email ID through which you want to log in, and then password will be there. So this will be the way of the procedure to sign up for the Kahoot app. So I have my account already, so I'll just log in with that. Like you can see, it has created a username for me. Rahul Sharma 120 is my username. So similarly, it will create a account for you also. I have entered my password. Let me log in. Sorry. So it will direct me to this screen that has my name, username mentioned on it. If I want to add name, I can click on this plus button. Then plan at any point of time, you can upgrade your plan. The upgrade option is available here. Since I've logged in with my official account of JMIT, so it is showing me a member of JMIT. You can add your interest. This can be used as a social platform. That way, the way you are using the others, you can add your interest over there. So I haven't explored these options more since I am just using it for the option of creating quizzes for my students. So there is an option that you can see the blue button which is available you can see on the right corner of my screen. You have to click on create. Then it will ask you whether you want to create a Kahoot or you want to use any template. The star options, as you can see, these are the options which will be there in the paid versions. So I'll just click on a simple create button. Now you can see there is a slide bar which is there for me, and there is the panel which is suggesting to me about the question type I want to select, the time limit that I have to keep. So you have to type your question here. Let's say what is the name. Capital of India, let's say. So you have this option. You can insert add media button is available there. You can insert image if you want to associate your question with any image you want. Then you can upload the image from your library. You can upload image from the gallery that you are having. Then there is option of inserting video also. The audio is also there, but again it is available in the paid version. As you can see, the star is being marked over here as well. Then you have to put your answers in this option that is available to you. So let's say Delhi, the second option, Mumbai. So by entering these options into it, you need to select which is the right answer for the question. Just click on the box. It will save your answer for this. As I've told you, the type of question which is available in this is quiz, true and false. Puzzles are also there. The typing question is also there. Core version is there. Word cloud you can use. But all these features are available in the pro version, in the paid version. So only free features that have having with us is quiz and true and false. Then you can set the time limit for this question that you want to give 5 seconds to your students to answer this, 10 seconds, 20 seconds. Maximum limit is 4 minutes. Then the points system, if you want to keep it standard, this will help you out basically when there will be a tie between your students, as there are so many right answers can be there for the same question. So keep it on standard because it will decide on its own about the points they are getting. At speed at which they will answer the question will definitely separate them. That will break the tie between them. For particular question, if you want to double the points, you can do that. If you want to have no points for any type of question, then you can also select that. So I have always kept this on standard because it is very helpful. So like in Powtoon, if you want to duplicate this slide, the duplication option is also there. If you want to delete it, the next option is also there. The similar options are available on this panel also. You can duplicate, you can delete, and you can add question. Then it will ask you to decide about the questions. Since I have picked one question from the quiz type, I will choose for the second type. Fine. So sunsets in west. It will save my question. Once you are done with it, you can also name your Kahoot. You can enter a name for this. So I will say demo one. Visibility to everyone. Then there are the options. So we are done with this. You can see this will appear here on the title box. The demo one, the name I have created for this. Then you can press the button of done once you are done with your questions and all. So when you will be accessing about these Kahoots that you have created, you can just go to your library. Here you can see the options of team space and my Kahoot, which is available there. I have created one quiz for you all to play, and basically this will give you an idea how your students will be seeing and how their experience will be when they will be playing this Kahoot. So I will click on this. As you can see, there is an option of play and there is an option of edit. If you want to add some questions in this, you can press on the edit button. If you want to play it directly, you have to press play. Then it will ask you want to give assignment, you want to teach. I will pick teach. Fine. Then there will be option as I have told you. You can play it in team. You can play it player by player. So I'll choose the classic mode to play in. Sorry, one option that I forgot to mention is just a second. Once you will play this Kahoot, the teach option you will choose. So there will be a game option which is available to you. You can see I have turned on this button which is show question and answer to the players on device. If I'll turn it off, so they will not be able to see whatever question you have designed for them. Only features that will be available on their screen will be the options that you have chosen. These colors will be available only on their screen. They will not be able to see the options which is available you have entered for that particular question. So they will just see these figures and these colors on their screen. So randomly they have to pick and they have to be very attentive to what you are speaking to them. You have to log in and speak the question and answer to them simultaneously. So rather than we have to again put this button on so that they can see the options and the question on their screen. So press on classic mode. It will create a game pin for you. Now I would like to request you all so kindly volunteer to participate in this quiz so that you can see the features of Kahoot, how it works. All you need to do, you have to enter the URL www.kahoot.it. As you can see on your screen, you have to join it at www.kahoot.it. This is what your students need to enter when they will be playing Kahoot with you. Or simply they can use the app Kahoot, which is available on Play Store. As you can see, right now we are having 0 players joined us. We are waiting for players to arrive. We have one player with us. Maybe 4 or 5 people we can have in this so that we can proceed with it. The game pin is 289050451, as you can see on your screens.
Dear all, I request you to log in at www.kahoot.io.
How to join in? How to join in? I have already downloaded.
Ma'am, it will ask you to enter your nickname. After that, they will ask you for the game pin. The game pin is there on your screen. You need to enter this 2890451.
No, no, I have just downloaded. It's showing create this thing. Okay, ma'am.
Then a join option will also be there.
Join option is. I cannot see the join option.
Play option maybe ma'am. Play.
प्ले भी नहीं मुझे दिख रहा. डिस्कवर आया है. एंटर पिन क्रिएट लाइब्रेरी.
Enter pin ma'am. Enter pin.
एंटर पिन. ओके.
Enter pin. Enter this pin which is visible on your screen.
2890451. Okay, I have entered. Nickname. Okay.
You are in ma'am.
Yeah.